So write down example. Given a bar is equal to a bar is equal to 2a bar x plus 2a bar y minus a bar z. Okay, first tell me, is this font size visible to all? Hello? Whatever I am writing, is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I decrease font size. Okay, okay, no problem. Because we can write more equations in one page. That's why I decrease size. Okay. Then b bar is equal to a bar x minus 3a bar y plus 4a bar z, and c bar is equal to a bar x minus a bar y plus a bar z. Okay. Now the questions are: find first is mod of a bar minus b bar plus 2c bar. Then second, the unit vector along a bar minus 2c bar. Then third, b bar dot c bar. And fourth is a bar cross b bar and last fifth one. The one is a bar cross b bar dot c bar. Now everyone can solve this example. Yesterday only we have seen one example which has all questions. I think this is also very easy. So try to solve this and tell me the answer. So Ashwini Mane. So tell me how to solve this first. A bar minus b bar, mod of a bar minus b bar plus 2c bar. Yes, Mane Ashwini, आत काय तुम्ही? हॅलो अश्विनी माने. आवाज येतोय तुम्हाला? हॅलो Roll number 17. Ashwini Mane. Are you there? Okay, roll number 6. Nehal. Do you solve the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, how to solve this equation mod of a bar minus b. Okay, roll number 56. Vaibhav. तुम्ही सॉल्व केलाय काय फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
Yes, madam. करतो sir.
ओके. Yes, anyone answer fast? It's very simple. Yes, anyone answer?
Square root of 20.
Square root of 20? 27. Okay. Yes, 5.19. Right. Okay. Others, please check. I'm solving now. So first, mod of a bar minus b bar plus 2c bar. Mod means magnitude of this equation is us. Okay. So first solve this a bar minus b bar, right, and plus 2c bar is equal to, now a bar minus b bar, this a bar vector is 2a bar x plus 2a bar y minus a bar z, right, minus b bar. Now b bar is equal to a bar x minus 3a bar y plus 4a bar z, right, and plus 2 c bar. C bar is a bar x minus a bar y plus a bar z. Okay, so it is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1 a bar x. Then 2 minus 3 is plus 5 a bar y, and minus 1 minus plus 4 means minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5 a bar z, and plus this is 2 a bar x multiply by just 2 in bracket. So 2 a bar x minus 2 a bar y plus 2a bar z. So solve this again. So a bar x plus 2a bar x is 3a bar x, then 5a bar y minus 2a bar y is plus 3a bar y, and minus 5a bar z plus 2a bar z is minus 3a bar z. Okay, so this is a bar minus b bar and plus 2 c bar. Now what is the question? Question is mod of a bar minus b bar plus 2 c bar. Now mod means magnitude is asked. So while finding magnitude, we are taking square root. So square root of 3 square plus y coefficient 3, again square, plus z coefficient is minus 3 square. So it is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 9. So root 27, and this root 27 is equal to 5.196. Okay, so this is the magnitude. So just box the answer. Okay. Now second question. Second is unit vector along a bar minus 2c bar. So how to find unit vector along this vector a bar minus 2c bar? What is meant by unit vector? Unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1, right? And it is used to give direction. Now, how we are defining unit vector? How we are defining any unit vector? Unit vector is equal to, yes, unit vector is equal to
B bar divided by mod of B bar.
b bar divided by mod of b bar, right? Means here no any vector I am writing, right? Not a bar, not b bar. Means unit vector is equal to that vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, if we consider vector b bar, then you can write it as b bar divided by mod of b bar. But here what is given? Find the unit vector along this term, that is a bar minus 2 c bar. Okay, means we are considering this as one vector. Okay, so any unit vector is equal to vector, that vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, now we have to find unit vector along this a bar minus 2 c bar. Okay, so we have to first find, if I consider this vector as vector a bar minus 2 c bar, then the unit vector along with this vector is nothing but a bar of this a bar minus 2 c bar. Okay, this unit vector has magnitude equal to 1. Okay, so let us solve. Now we have to find unit vector, we require this vector and divided by its magnitude, means mod. So first find that vector. That vector is a bar minus 2 c bar, right? So let us find this a bar minus 2 c bar. Now a bar vector is equal to 2a bar x plus 2a bar y minus a bar z, right? Then minus 2 into c bar. So this c bar is again a bar x minus a bar y plus a bar z. Okay, so by solving this you will get, this is 2a bar x minus 2a bar x is equal to 0. Then 2a bar y minus minus plus 2a bar y, that is plus 4a bar y, and minus a bar z minus a bar z, that is minus 2a bar z. Okay, so a bar minus 2c bar is equal to 4a bar y minus 2a bar z. Okay, everyone got this? समजले का सगळ्यांना? हॅलो, हॅलो, सगळ्यांना समजलंय का हे कसं घेतलंय?
Yes, madam.
मॅम तिथं -3az बार येते.
कुठे? कुठे -3 येते? This one is -1, right, -3. बरोबर. -2. So it is 4 and -3. Okay, right. Okay, now find mod of this a bar minus 2c bar, means its magnitude. So it's equal to square root of 4 square plus -3 square is equal to 16 plus 9. So root 25 is equal to 5. Now find unit vector. Unit vector a bar of a bar minus 2c bar is equal to, that vector is 4a bar y minus 3a bar z divided by 5. So is equal to 4 by 5 a bar y minus 3 by 5 a bar z. You have to solve this on calci and write in point form. Okay, understood? सगळ्यांना समजलंय का? हॅलो, सगळ्यांना समजलंय का?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Mane Ashwini, I call you at start. Why you not replied? So everyone understood? Okay, can I erase this? रोल नंबर 41 चैतन्य, समजलंय काय तुम्हाला? हॅलो चैतन्य,
हा मॅडम.
समजलंय का सगळं?
हा हा, होय होय.
ओके. Can I erase this? First erase. Okay. Now the third question. Is B bar dot C bar is equal to, write down vectors B bar and C bar. So it is A bar X minus 3 A bar Y plus 4 A bar Z. Dot product with C bar is A bar X minus, this is A bar Y and plus A bar Z. Now tell me the answer. B bar dot C bar is equal to, roll number 28, Bijli Patil.
Ma'am, 28 Payal.
28 Payal. Okay. Then Bijli Patil is, right, 23. Roll number 23. Bijli Patil, what is the answer? Hello? Why students are not replying? जेवण करून काय सगळे मस्तपैकी एक झोप वगैरे काढत नाही ना लेक्चरला? लेक्चर ऑन करून? Okay, tell me answer. B bar dot C bar?
8.
8. Right. So this is a dot product. Okay, dot product means scalar quantity, magnitude only. So just multiply the coefficients. That is 1 into 1 is 1. Then plus minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. And plus 4 into 1, that is 4. So B bar dot C bar is equal to 8. Such questions are asked as MCQs in previous year questions papers. Okay. So fourth question is find A bar cross B bar. Now how to find this cross product? By using determinant. and this is a cross product of only two vectors. That's why use unit vectors a bar x, a bar y and a bar z, because cross product is a vector quantity. Okay, so coefficients of a bar and b bar. So 2, 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 3, 4. Just solve this determinant is equal to a bar x into bracket 8 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 minus a bar y into bracket 8 minus 1, that is 8 plus 1 and plus a bar z into bracket 2 into minus 3 minus 6 and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Okay. So a bar cross b bar is equal to 5 a bar x minus 9 a bar y and minus 8 a bar z. Okay. Everyone got the answer? सगळ्यांचं आन्सर आले का हे? Okay. Shubham, why are you late today? हॅलो शुभम, तुम्हाला आज लेट
Yes,
का?
madam.
लेट का आज?
हा मॅडम, थोडी कामं चालू आहेत मॅडम.
ओके. Now the fifth question. Fifth one is a bar cross b bar dot c bar. Now what will solve first? A bar cross b bar या b bar dot c bar? Yes?
Six.
6. Right. 6 is right. Okay. So a bar cross b bar is equal to, sorry, it's already solved. Equal to 5 a bar x minus 9 a bar y minus 8 a bar z, and a bar cross b bar dot c bar is equal to 5 a bar x minus 9 a bar y minus 8 a bar z, and dot product with c bar, that is a bar x minus a bar y plus a bar z. Okay, is equal to, so 5 into 1 dot product, 5 into 1 5, then minus 9 into minus 1, that is plus 9, and minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. So it is equal to 6. So last answer, A bar cross B bar dot C bar is equal to 6. Okay. Everyone understood? Second answer,
Yes,
Salad?
madam.
Okay. Now, write down next example. Can I clear this? Hello, everyone noted the example? Can I clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, write down next example. 3 points P1, P2 and P3 are given by 2, 3 minus 2. 2, 3 minus 2, then 5, 8, 3 and 7, 6, 2 and 7, 6, 2 respectively. Obtain first, that is A is the vector from P1 to P2. B is the straight line distance from P2 to P3. And third, that is C, is the unit vector along the line from P1 to P3. So this is the question. Try to solve this. We have already seen. Okay. Roll number 24, Sangeeta. Okay. Show me your notebook. Turn your video on. Hello. Roll number 24. Are you there? Roll number 24. Okay. The next page. There must be a separate notebook for EME. रोल नंबर 22 प्रतिज्ञा, तुमची नोटबुक दाखवा. Okay, next pages. Okay. Okay, do you understand whatever I teach?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, roll number 30, Swapnali. Hello, roll number 30. स्वप्नाली, तुमची नोटबुक दाखवा. Hello, are you there? Roll number 30. Roll number 3. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Notebook. Show your notebook.